Alright, I just want to make a quick unboxing video on this Hook portable wireless speaker. It is kind of like that TG that I got, but this one is a little bit bigger. This one I'm going to keep here at the shop. I got it at the cherry auction, which is a swap meet. It was only $20, and it comes with, if I could get it out, it comes with a strap, nice and big, 2 subwoofers on the side, 1 speaker in the middle. Comes with all these ports, so you could put a USB and a memory chip, and it has an adapter for headphones. There it is. This the wires that came with it, the charger and the headphone adapter, so you can hook it up to your phone. This also has a built-in stereo or radio, FM radio. I'm not sure if about AM, but I know FM for sure. If you put this in here, this will act as an antenna. You turn this on. You actually have to hold it.
Bluetooth mode.
There it is. And if we go into memory, there's the radio. And then we can do...
Says as wise.
There it is.
Keep it through it.
Anyways, turn that off. It's pretty cool. It's pretty loud, and it was cheap, only $20. Not bad. Not worth it. Very worth it. Not bad. It's cool. I like it, and it has a little stand on it too, and it has that strap. So this is perfect for the shop. I'm here at work already, and that's the reason why I bought it, so I could have it here at the shop. Sweet. And that is my unboxing on this. My quick little review. It sounds pretty good. I really can't play music while I'm recording, because I'm recording off of my phone. But it sounds pretty good. For $20, you can't beat that. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.